Alright, so we want to do the MemeFi connection through SUI. Okay, we want to connect the SUI blockchain to on OKX. So what do we do now? First of all, some of us have already connected to linea and deposited $2. Now I want us to transfer this $2 to OKX using seed phrase. The seed phrase we already have here on MemeFi bot. So please just follow what I'm doing step by step. So close all these adverts and make sure your home page has opened. So I'll be closing them. I'll be closing all these useless adverts. Then you come here, wallets. Click on wallets. And you'll be seeing that I'm having $2 balance here. There's network issue. Okay, so what do? Just click on settings and then copy this 12 seed phrase. This is your secret seed phrase, so copy it. Now when you copy it, go to OKX and create a wallet. I'll be going to my OKX to create a wallet with this seed phrase that I copied from MemeFi, so that it appears right on my OKX. You click here. Allow it to load. Make sure it's under wallets here. Make sure you are not using the exchange, you are using only the wallet. Click here. Make sure this is selected. Then you come here, you click on this drop down, and then you click on add wallets. This is wallet A. We need another wallet called wallet B. Then you click on import wallets because we want to import from MemeFi. Then what do we want to import? The 12 seed phrase. Then you click on OK. Then you paste that seed phrase here. You paste, and then you confirm. Automatically, what we have copied from MemeFi wallet will appear here on OKX wallet, meaning we are using the wallet on MemeFi now on OKX automatically. So you can see that my money on MemeFi has now appeared here on OKX. So I'm using the wallet I have on my MemeFi here on OKX. So make sure the wallet B is selected because this will be happening in the wallet B you created. The default wallet is wallet A. But if you have not created a wallet before on OKX, you'll be seeing wallet A. So because I've created the wallet before, that's why I'm having this. So if this is your second wallet, it should be wallet B. If it's your first wallet, it should be wallet A. That's all. Then just what I'll do is to close this, okay, because I'm using wallet B. So you can see this is my wallet B, and then go back to your MemeFi. So when you go to your MemeFi, all you have to do now is to click here and click here. So that's 1, 2, 3. This is OKX. Click here to connect to SUI. So you click on check task. If it's not opening, please turn on your VPN again. I want to use another VPN. Let me use a better one, Siphon Pro. So you click on start. This one is a free one. You can download this from Play Store. So when you click on start, it takes you to browser and tell you that you are in a new location, which is France or whatever country you're seeing. Okay, so that's what it's doing. And since it's wasting my time, I'll just be going back to this place, my MemeFi bot. Then you click check the task because my VPN is on right now. You can see it at the top of my screen. So now, next thing I'll be doing is to click on OKX. So now I'm about to connect my MemeFi to my OKX through SUI. Okay, so now it's telling me now to connect wallet. Yes, I will be connecting my wallet. Connection successful. Now what you'll be doing is to click on Telegram. Okay, it's taking me back here. You click on, now it's saying check-in. Okay, now that it's saying check-in, you can go back here to OKX and see if there's anything to do. But in the meantime, I'll be clicking on manage. It's saying SUI connected. MemeFi is connected to wallet B SUI. Okay, so now it's saying check-in. Let's allow it to check. So now this is the final stage. Sign this message. Yes, confirm. Put your fingerprint or pattern. It's telling me I'm done. Okay, done. Return to the app. So checking is almost done. So you can see task successful completed. So I've completed the task. Return to game. So now let's see if we've actually connected this thing successfully. You come back here and you see this place here, this box here. Swipe and look for MemeFi. Look for this. Check your MemeFi airdrop eligibility. Now click on this check here. Now when I click on this check, please click on connect Telegram. Input the phone number for this particular Telegram and log in. The code will be sent to your Telegram, not SMS. The code will be sent to your Telegram, not as SMS. The code will be sent to your Telegram account. Okay, so you will go to your Telegram account and receive the code to log in. So let's wait for it. What do I do? Click on continue. Then you change your country to Nigeria. And input the number. So 09114. Click on next. So now it's saying we've just sent you a Telegram, a message. Please confirm via Telegram. So go to your Telegram, log out of MemeFi, go back, then go back again. So when you go back here, just look for Telegram here. Look at it here. You come here and then click here, and then look for another message. Scroll down to the bottom. 10:49. Okay, so look at it here. 10:49 p.m. This is 10:49 a.m. Sorry, this is 10:49 a.m. So that is how you know this is the current one. So please click on confirm here. Confirm. Then automatically you will be logged in on your OKX. You go back to your OKX and wait. Okay, so you click on accept here. So as you are clicking on confirm on Telegram, you are clicking on accept here. Click on continue. So when you click on continue, you can see we are now seeing what we want to do. So everything is now working fine. This is how you know that you've properly connected your wallet. You can see your coin balance, you can see your spin, current spin, how many spin you have currently. what you've done, MemeFi Premium, done transaction, done stars, Polygon stars, and that's that for this video. See you in the next one.